Can you imagine if nature was like this? Fortunately, nature solved this issue, and the kingfisher can dive gracefully into water with little or no splash. Nature perfected this design over many years, but Japanese engineers didn't have that time to come up with a solution to their bullet train's sonic booms. It's the early 90s, and Japanese engineers are trying to solve one of their biggest problems: tunnel sonic booms. One of the world's busiest high-speed rail lines is called Tokaido Shinkansen, having moved billions of passengers since its opening in